Welcome to SilencerCo's Texas two-step. What's a two-step? Well, we're not going to really do that. What Texas two-step is to us is Texas, every region's unique. The people are unique, the food's unique, how they hunt, how they shoot, all that's unique. So we wanted to develop a series where we could come down here, meet with friends, see how they do things. We're down here in South Texas with Capital Armory crew. They've rolled out the red carpet. We have hog hunts, we got side-by-sides, we got a helicopter. We're gonna do some dove hunting, and in the trip, doing some largemouth bass fishing. Yeah, there's no silencers in bass fishing, but when in Texas, I'll tell you the one thing that always impresses me about Texas is this is a sportsman's paradise. That thing is slick. Minimal blowback and it sounds amazing.
I'm gonna shoot the Maxim 9.
That works. And that sounds damn good.
Gen 2 MPX. Last gen they made with the 8-inch barrel. Chopped the barrel off, put the 6.5-inch barrel in there. I did my own little SD. Got the SilencerCo Spectre K on there. 8.T2 on there. Little PEG 15 on the castle mount, the diving board.
Woo! She quiet, son.
Lord, it's the same old tune, fiddle and guitar.
There he is.
Where do we take it from here?
So you also
Rhinestone suits and new shiny cars. It's been the same way.
Oh, damn.
Little prototype.
Little fight the noise thing from a long time ago with an original Sparrow.
Oh, an original Sparrow.
Yeah.
You know, see, I just barely found one of these. I didn't even have one. We had to like find half pipes and everything.
Wow.
What are the chances that you assembled this one?
So this is inside a 700. The odds are close to 100%. Like, there's that whole first year, Josh and I did everything. So we had one employee. That's the Nighthawk package.
Mm-hmm. That sounds so great.
Pretty cool. It's fun to shop this.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Well, I got a call from Rowdy around 6 o'clock saying he called a hankering for a honky tonk.
We're on a ranch. It's about 3,300 acres. Lots of wildlife here. Lots of game that they have. Exotics and whatnot. So John's shooting a mini fix with a scythe, a little thermal action. I'm shooting a 10.5-inch AR, shooting a 190 sub X subs. I'm running the Scythe STM. I have it in the short configuration. So, as you know, this can is modular. In the short configuration, it's about a baffle shorter than the Scythe tie.
Jackrabbits are great zero checks. So if you need to check a zero on your rifle and you're not positive, that's where jackrabbits come into play. Don't shoot my cows, okay?
Shot me awake. She said, "Hey, cowboy, could you buy us a drink?" Well, hey, baby doll, I will if you want, but I can't turn it off once I turn it on. There's no stopping me.
Oh, that's a hit. That's a hit.
No, that's an $800 worth right there. Look at that.
Clock is like a time bomb. By 10:30, I'm half past tipsy. At 11:45, man, I done had plenty. The countdown's on when the first beer hits me. 5, 4, 3,
We did it. We got him.
too many. Come on.
Ooh, domed him.
What do you think of that skunk?
I like the way they smell, personally. I think it's really nice. I shoot them to release that smell into the air because I like it.
Too many. Come on, that's a country song right there.
That was solid. It's really early. We're pretty tired, but we're gonna go dove hunting today and then relocate up to Austin. But excited to go out to a sunflower farm and see if we can't get some dove.
Blame it on my roof. I showed up.
Early for this, dude.
Yeah, so
The last one to
What's Dustin doing?
You just interrupted me memorizing a social security number. Just picking up a license before we go hunt. Keeping it above board. We're not poachers. We're legal.
We're legal.
We're legal.
All rules followed.
For all your keyboard commandos on Reddit.
Sir, am I being detained?
Yes.
Am I being detained?
I see the shotgun. Shotgun? I don't even know what this is. It's old Mossberg.
Grandpa's.
Old grandpappy shotgun right here.
friends in lonely places where the whiskey drowns and the beer tastes.
Simon, I have a project for you when you get back. Like, glue my shotgun.
Is that part of the Benelli?
Yeah. All right. So we shipped our guns, or some of our guns. Trying to be efficient with air travel and whatnot. This gorgeous Benelli Ethos took some damage, so we're thinking might not be super comfortable to shoot with like a big cracked piece of wood there. So we're just gonna pack it and then use trusty gaff tape. I just don't want splinters, like the action's gonna get hot here in a minute.
Is that Benelli brand tape?
Yeah. This is Italian tape. So it's good. Okay. We took this gorgeous shotgun and turned it into a pawn shop special. I'm sorry, Mr. Benelli. It wasn't meant to be this way.
I'm ready to hunt doves.
you can also be like,
Glock 17,
Yeah.
32 round mags.
be smart with it.
These doves don't stand a chance. I don't know why you guys are using shotguns. Gold osprey, real gold plate.
Is it real gold?
Yeah.
18 karat?
Real gold plate. I don't know what that means.
Yeah.
No places where the whiskey drowns and the beer takes my blues away.
I can't believe there's a season for doves. Like, who cares? Shoot it and leave it.
I'm not big on social graces. Think I'll slip on down to the oasis. So I've got a friend in low places. I've got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away.
quiet morning with these guys. Sounds good. We have lovely company here, Sue, helping us pick up all these doves. It's a good time. Very good time.
Did pretty decent. This type of hunting is humbling for me because I realize how bad of a shot I am. But no, it was a lot of fun. This property is amazing. Birds were flying. I was missing, but we got a few. So let's go see how the Dirty Kid guys did. They were over there shooting uncivilized without silencers. So people that are rude have to shoot on the other side of the levee. The more sophisticated ones, we get the water hole right here. So
How many people got shot?
I got shot.
A lot.
Just once?
Yeah, by you guys. You guys peppered me in the ass with some bird shot.
The greatest thing about the salvo is I can hear you. I shot all day, killed dove down here in Texas, and my ears aren't ringing, so it was amazing.
How many did we end up with total?
We had, I had 15. I think everyone else got about 10 in our group, so we got, what does that make it, 55?
Yeah, something like that.
A little over 50, right? And then y'all had 46, so we got over 100.
Just got home from Illinois, locked the front door, oh boy. Got to sit down, take a rest on the porch. Imagination sets in, pretty soon I'm singing. Looking out my back door.
Again, Capital has rolled out the red carpet. They hired some fishing guide services. We're going to be out here trying to catch some big mouth bass. Jace's phrase. Some largemouth bass, a fish in topwater, artificial lures. Should be a lot of fun. Cold front came in, so likelihood of shirtless fishing is probably small, but well, never say never.
What's up, baby?
One down. Got one down. Look
Eat
at
it!
That's a 20-pounder right there. I can barely hold on to it.
Mississippi Queen, she taught me everything. We're down around Vicksburg, around Louisiana way. Lived a Cajun lady, called her Mississippi Queen. You know she was a dancer. She moved better on wine while the rest of them dudes wasn't getting naked. But I beg your pardon, I was getting mine. Mississippi Queen, if you know what I mean. Mississippi Queen, she taught me everything. This lady, she asked me if I would be her man. You know that I told her I'd do what I can.
What do we pay back?
To keep her looking pretty. Buy her just a neck shine while the rest of their dudes wasn't making their way. But I beg your pardon, I was losing mine.
Dustin, how was it?
It was great. Great. I caught the biggest one. It was about 19 inches long.
Oh, my expectations were met. Boy, I can't even tell you. Yeah. All the fish I caught, man. I even caught a fish with a cowboy hat, dude. Delicious.
All right, so we just wrapped up a day of fishing. It was super fun. The guides were just phenomenal, very patient with us. and just put us on to some good fish. Lake Travis in Austin is super fun. There's beautiful homes and like one of the most unique lakes. It's almost like a river, but it was super fun. We were back hog hunting, killing little varmint, doing ranch stuff, got some flat range time in, got to show some new toys, some stuff that's not coming out till maybe next year. Big thanks again, Capital Armory. You guys killed it. This was such a fun trip, getting to know who you are, getting to know the things you like to do, how you like to do them, and then just having a lot of fun. So big thanks, and we'll see you next time on Texas Two Step.